Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel ggfam Food Cakes. Today I'm going to make a food from Bicol, a very delicious and nice food which I tried and I love it. A few days ago I was traveling in Bicol and different cities along the way. In one of the cities, they call it Naga city, we stopped over for having a breakfast and we entered a very small place which they were selling only Filipino ramen, which they call it kinelas or loglog. And today I'm going to make that food in my own way. I hope you will like it. Actually, making this food is so easy and you just need few ingredients and a little bit of your time. So let's do it together. For the ingredients, first we need beef. I bought it for 224, 500 grams. You need noodles. I bought it for 48 pesos. Carrots. We use only one of these carrots. Celery. This can be optional. If you don't like it, you can just don't add. This is just for some taste. Of course, garlic and onions. Flour, we need only 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. Beef cube. Fish sauce or patties. And then peppercorn. Okay, let's try to make the soup first. We need the beef. You can use any kind of beef you like. I just prefer to get a lean beef. You can put it with bones or whatever. Peppercorns. Onions. Celery. And carrots. This time I use pressure cooker to save more time, but if you don't have any pressure cooker, no problem. You can cook it for a longer time. Add water. If you are using pressure cooker, you need to cook it for at least 45 to 1 hour. If you don't have any pressure cooker, so you need to cook it until the beef is soft enough, maybe 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. So it's the best to choose a beef which is fast to cook. So while waiting the beef is cooking, I need to clean up here. I just the dishes first. Okay, it's time to make the gravy sauce first. We need some oil. Let the oil be perfectly hot. First, let's fry the garlic. You need to fry the garlic perfectly until it's golden brown. This already look perfect, so Put it in the plate. Okay, at the same time, now let's fry our onions. While the onion is frying, let's just mix the beef broth with some hot water for the sauce. After the onion is already golden brown, now put back the garlic in a plate. Add the beef cube. And let it boil first. While you are waiting for this to boil, you need to add some soy sauce, just a little bit. Some fish sauce, but it's just a little bit. You don't want it so much salty. Let it boil. Okay, when it starts boiling, it's time to add the flour. Mix 2 tablespoons of flour in a nice glass, as you can see, and add it slowly. Mix it until it's thickened on a very low flame. Add slowly. Okay, so if it's so thick, you can just add more water. I think it's already perfectly the gravy. Sauce has thickened, turn off the heat. And this time you need to separate the onion and garlic. Don't forget to add some black pepper on it. Continue this until the garlic and onion are already separated from the sauce. As you can see, the beef is already completely cooked. We remove it from the soup and then chop chop. Get the meat and then cut it in small pieces. It's perfectly cooked, it's so soft already. You can see it.